right now, gang. Big comfortable. Y'all hear that bitch fart though?
You said what?
That bitch be farting.
That shit do be popping, oh God. This shit cannot be straight. Like, it can't be like stopped, right? And she might have bought it.
It's probably muffled.
Yes.
By the way, Atlanta downtown, but fuck it, man. We might as well. Y'all boy trying to go downtown.
We gotta let me drive downtown too, man. You drive part of it, I drive like leaving. Like you drive going, I drive leaving.
Yeah. Hey man, we working, but we gonna get the content now.
Oh God.
We gonna get the content. Shout out to this nigga Maya too, bro. Nigga clutch as fuck, bro. Nigga just knew we were trying to get the content. This man just knew we were trying to get some content. Oh God.
My shit finna work.
That charger out there,
Huh?
Charger out there.
Yeah.
Hey man, how this shit feel in the back seat though?
I ain't gonna lie, man. Ain't jumping back there, nigga.
It is moving, bro.
God.
God damn.
Top.
That Tahoe motherfucker.
That boy not catching that.
Sir.
Young niggas instantly.
Oh God, we was fucking revving that shit. That nigga had just moved out the way, but he didn't even want no smoke, bro.
Man, y'all let me know if y'all like these POVs, man. Oh God. Hey, so like, man, y'all let me know like what other kind of content y'all want me to do. I was thinking about making like a second page. I don't know though, like strictly for vlogs and stuff. I don't know. It just really depends, like, cause I know, like, I realize like my vlogs do good views, but like my car content be going crazy. So y'all just let me know what y'all want to see, man. Let me know if I should make a separate channel. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. We grinding.
This shit just sounds so good, bro.
They better get right with you. Ooh, that's that good angle for y'all. Ooh, that look good. I should have been had her on that.
0.5?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Drop my phone.
Ooh, shit. Look at 12 ass.
He just sitting there. Or he got a carport over it. Oh, it's a carport.
I just had to let him hear it for the one time. You feel?
No, we not speeding.
We not speeding, nigga. Like, nigga,
That's straight as shit, man.
nigga, exactly, nigga. That my transmission, nigga. Hell you talking about? That my transmission. He ain't catching us in that little Explorer, nigga. We gone. Nigga, you got some miles you gotta do. Kid me. Could get what I'm finna do to him, gang. Get what I'm finna do to him. Take off on their ass just like that. Straight up. That nigga ain't gonna do shit. We good. Scatpack, by the way. sound so good, bro.
Oh shit.
Like they sound so good. You can't beat the way they sound, bro.
It's like that little like cycling sound.
I'm cool with that song. All you guys, if you don't like it, then I heard you can get a straight pipe. I heard when you straight pipe.
I'm sure that nigga right there, that ATL, boy.
Hey man.
Yes, sir.
ATL Jacob, nigga. ATL Jacob, ATL Jacob. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I just hit the hell out of a damn pothole.
Dang, she got on 75, 85.
I'm just driving it, bitch. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just driving it, bitch. That nigga said drive, so that's what I'm doing.
But stop at one of these exits, cause it be like, that should be narrow as fuck. So it be like echoing off the buildings and shit.
Alright, bet.
Trying to get on now. This nigga well on the game, bro.
Hey, well, them boys say, why you went home, man?
Oh God, why you going home, bro? Oh, that shit sounds amazing, bro. Hold on, what the fuck is that's an LS? That's an LC 500.
That's why they be hopping like that. No, because I was supposed to record when I was taking off again.
Oh yeah, but this thing, it was like all of a sudden. Like,
Yeah.
damn.
You like,
Put that bit on me.
my butt. Hey, man.
You gotta do it, bro. I ain't gonna cap.
What?
You gotta do it. You gotta
What?
launch that bit.
Ah, they like that, bitch.
God, nigga.
I don't know. I'm
We just driving.
driving,
This shit just
nigga.
feel good. Driving in bit,
This
bro.
shit feels so good.
Oh, we near what you call it? We on Moreland, and we near that chicken place.
Hot chicken.
That shit was good as fuck, nigga.
You went there with us?
Wait, put a bit on me, nigga. Ivan, I know you saw that shit. We saw y'all niggas out there.
Oh God, that
Oh,
shit
God,
good.
We knew we put y'all on.
That shit good. Oh God, them boys seen that, eating that. It's all good.
It's all good. We be sharing ideas with
Oh
everybody.
God, we don't hate when people, you know what I'm saying. That's why we share it with y'all.
When they be past this nigga.
I ain't gonna lie though, that shit'll get right with this shit though.
That shit will get right
That
with
shit
this
real get right, nigga. That shit's like so fast.
Oh no.
You ain't thought you know I'm finna do that, did you?
I thought you
There
was
they go.
gonna forget.
There they go, Ivan.
Hattie B's, nigga.
Jeez, nigga, that shit is good. 12 be sitting on their road though sometimes, so I ain't gonna go too crazy.
Yes, sir.
Look at
We
info.
in Atlanta now.
We in Atlanta, by the way.
Moreland Avenue.
Yeah, you understand me. I know we good.
Oh shit, 12 years over there, bro. Damn. God, deep in Atlanta. Get some. I need to get a drink too.
I do need something to drink, bro.